Hey everyone, this is Sonia the RV DJ coming to you with another unboxing video of our Garmin RV 890 GPS. So let's take a look in the box and see what we have. Alright, so in the top of the box here we have the unit itself. It's an 8-inch screen, diagonal. Pretty big, almost tablet size. We've got some instructions. We have a windshield mount. We have a 12-volt USB plug. We have another adapter, and we have a dash mount and some screws. So let's get this thing set up and ready to go. Alright, so we mounted the windshield mount onto the windshield, and you're going to plug the 12-volt adapter into the side of the mount like so. And the GPS itself is held on by magnet, so you just throw it on there like that. It sticks very well. Like, it actually grabs the GPS. And the suction cup for this is very strong also, so be careful. We downloaded the Garmin Drive app to our smartphones, and from that you can get live weather, live traffic updates from the satellites as you're driving along. But you have to use the Garmin Drive app on your phone in conjunction with the GPS for that to work. Okay, so now we're going to go through the prompts on the GPS. Select your language. And you agree to the license agreements. And we hit no to this. And now you have to search for, it's searching for your local Wi-Fi networks. Okay, so now that we have our internet hooked up, we'll go next. And here's where we have to connect to the Garmin Drive app on the phone. So we'll do that and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we now have the Smart Drive app paired with the device. So we can hit done. Blah, 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 blah. Your warning. And here's where you set up your vehicles. Now you have a choice of motorhome with trailer, car, or vehicle with trailer. And in this case, we have a vehicle with a trailer. And it's a travel trailer. You have a choice of travel trailer, fifth wheel, boat trailer, or regular trailer. So the maximum height is what you need to know on your vehicle. So in our case, the max height of my trailer is 11 feet 0.08 inches. So for safety's sake, we're going to put in 11.6 for safety's sake. 11 feet 6 inches. Max width is 8 feet. That we already know. That's pretty much a standard for travel trailers. And the total length of vehicle and trailer together would be your vehicle length plus your trailer length, which in our case will be 51 feet. 31 for the camper and 20 for the truck. 51, 0. The trailer length is 31 feet. And the total weight Okay, so total weight is the truck and the trailer together, and we're gonna set ours for 10,000 pounds. The trailer weight, 7. Alright, so there's what we have set up. Trailer length is 31. Total length is 51. And total width for everything. And we're going to select it. Alright. And there is everything. You can put in your destination. You can look at the map. Up in the right hand corner, it shows that you're set up for a travel trailer. Has temperature and weather. And down at the bottom, you can look for your campgrounds, your trip history. You can even do a trip planner, and all your settings and all your extra apps. So of course that's going to be different for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Garmin RV 890 RV GPS, and we'll see you in the next video.